Guys, I'm extremely excited to let you know that we are building a CR500 aluminum frame trike. It's one of the most requested builds I think we've had in the last 2-3 years. So we're ready for it. We've been working on it behind the scenes for quite a while now. Just been battling getting some parts and pieces. Just everything started back when COVID started, of course, but it's all good. It's coming together. Everything's perfect. It's clean. It's ready to go. So we'll be checking that out. But first, watch the clips of us getting the frame converted, getting a swing arm welded. I want to actually show you guys more of a start to finish of what it takes to make this happen. So stay tuned. All right, guys, welcome to the channel. Filler.
Yeah, so I cleaned everything up. Just a nice little abrasive disc, but I used a fresh one to not cross-contaminate the metal.
Right.
Yeah.
Oh, it looks good, man.
Thanks, man. Wondering to see how the rest of it's gonna weld.
Cool, guys. So this is our CR500 project coming together. We've been taking our time on it. This front piece was purchased from a kit, and we cut the frame up, and we're making it work on this CR500 chassis. What do we got here?
Yeah, I don't know. I don't know what the frame is.
You don't know what this is?
No. 500 frame.
And?
And it's gonna be beautiful.
That's all you got?
That's all I got.
Okay, guys, so this is the 500 build. The frame's fresh out of the glass bead cabinet. Everything's been finish welded, ready to go. So we're getting this thing assembled. So stay tuned to see this bike get assembled. Tim's getting the steering stem pressed, and we got our triple clamp ready to go. Here's the swing arm for the 500. We went with the silver style finish to kind of match the frame. I think it's going to give it a clean OEM look. So like I said, this thing was extremely requested. This was the top of the list. CR500 aluminum frame trike. Now this was actually ordered from a customer from Canada. This was during the whole COVID thing, so we've been crazy behind on waiting on parts for this build. We've done our best to get a lot of them. We're still waiting on some tires, of course, but it's okay. We want to take our time anyway. So here's the frame. We already got our front end kit installed, invert forks. So we bought a kit to actually convert the frame. We did all the TIG welding and prep and cleaning and all the cutting and stuff in-house. Got that all going. We might possibly be getting kits eventually for these through us. We're not sure yet. It depends on how the market is. We did some mods to the gas tank already. So we heated the tank up and actually compressed the bottom to gain us a little bit of clearance on the head. So it's coming together. The motor's on the bench right now. We're just getting some of the parts prepped and finalized and ready to assemble. So here's some of the parts that we're going to be putting on this build. Local machine shop, Rob Mapes. Shout out to Rob. He always takes care of us. A super quick turnaround on that for us, which was awesome. Appreciate it, Rob. Here's the hot rod crank, gaskets, crank bearings. We're doing trans bearings, all the seals. So we opted to go with the Pantera electric start kit, mostly because it's not fun kickstarting anymore. We're honestly getting spoiled with all these new bikes. All the electric start 450s are just super easy to hop on, hit a button. So our way to modernize this bike was to throw an electric start kit from Pantera. So shout out to those guys. Yeah, other than that, we're looking to actually do, if you haven't seen their 550 motor, we're looking to do a custom chassis pretty soon with our own build with their motor. So stay tuned for that. If you guys like two strokes, you're gonna wanna subscribe to this channel. You've been asking for two strokes, so we're gonna blow it up with two strokes. Pro Circuit Platinum pipe for the aluminum frame build. We specifically ordered this for the aluminum chassis, so it clears properly, so we don't have to do any mods to the pipe, which is awesome. New radiators, new hoses. So guys, that's all I'm gonna show right now. I wanna keep the rest of it for obviously video 2, video 3, and probably video 4. So we're gonna go from getting the whole chassis together. We're gonna go through plastic installation, plastic trimming, plastic cutting, everything you gotta do to put a trike together. And then we're gonna do some starting of this machine, some test rides. We're gonna make sure the jetting is good. So if you guys really, really like two strokes, please give this a thumbs up, please share it, comment below if you're excited to see more two strokes. We're trying to blow the channel up with it. We've just had so many four strokes over the last few months. It's just what it is. They're super popular, but it's time to get back to our roots. I mean, we grew up riding these, so it's where we wanna be. So stay tuned. If you guys like CR250s, you probably already saw that I posted this video. This is gonna get track tested, trail tested. It's just gonna get put through the paces. So again, if you like two strokes and you wanna see more of that, subscribe to this channel. And guys, I always just wanna thank you for the support. We're getting so many phone calls, emails, messages from all over the world. It's amazing. So it really motivates us to do more crazy builds, such as big wheels, more two-stroke trikes. We're gonna be doing some giveaways. Definitely subscribe if you want some giveaways. Thanks, guys.